Parejeda. On this channel, I show you easy ways to get creative in a ton of different ways. Learn to express yourself through crafts, eating, yes, I said eating, fashion, fun challenges, trying new things, and just living life. Lots of people tell me over and over that they're not creative, that they're terrible at drawing or anything else artistic. Well, you know what? That's just plain old wrong. Everyone is creative in their own way. Art is just one of those ways. There are so many more. So let's find your creative spirit and get creative with me. Subscribe to my channel to start your creative adventure. It is gonna be a blast.